Let's take a look now at the construction study guide assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions. So the first one says, which of the following constructions represents an angle congruent to the angle shown below? So we have our angle here. Which one has an angle that's congruent to it? Well, here we see that we have our angle, and then this angle is definitely bigger than this one. So that's not it. We have this one here and this one here. Those two look the same, so it could be that one. We have this one that's just one angle bisected, so that's not it. And then we have this angle and this angle, which is much bigger, so it's got to be B. So we're going to go ahead and go up to where it says B, click here, and we're going to highlight it. So we're going to use our highlighter tool, and we're going to make it any color. Just make sure it's some bright color. Let's do orange this time. So there's our answer. And then we'll move on to the next one. The next one says, which of the following constructions represents an angle congruent to the angle shown below? So we have a big angle here. So if we look now, we have our original angle here, and we have another angle here that looks like it could be the same. So that's a possibility. This one has our original angle, and then it looks like it got cut in half almost. So that's a bisector, so that's not it. Then we look at this one. Well, notice this angle is much smaller than this one, so that's out. And then this one is also a bisector, so that one's out, so it's got to be A. So we go here, use our highlighter tool and highlight that one as well. And then we continue to answer these questions all the way until we get to the end. Once you get to the end of the assignment, you're going to go ahead and go to the answer key. This will allow you to check your work. So like the first question, we said the answer was B, and we can see that that is correct. And the second one, we said our answer was A. We can see that that is correct as well. So you can use the answer key to check your work. Now, to make sure that you stay on track, you can go ahead and use this construction study guide schedule to follow along with. So it says that by the 11th of March, you should be able to complete questions 1 through 5 on congruent and bisecting angles. By the 9th, you should be able to complete questions 6 through 10 on congruent and perpendicular bisecting segments. And then by the 16th, you should be able to complete questions 11 through 15 on scaling angles and line segments.